The Nigeria Living Standards Survey, NLSS, and the Nigeria Labour Force Survey, NLFS, are two of Nigeria's biggest and longest-running household surveys. Both surveys generate indicators that are used to design important policies that affect socio-economic development in Nigeria. While the Nigeria Living Standards Survey is used to measure living conditions and poverty using income and consumption, the Nigeria Labour Force Survey generally provides a snapshot of labor market conditions in the country. So, just how important are these surveys? What kind of data do they produce? And what is the relevance of this data to government and policymakers? The NLSS is designed to collect a broad range of information across multiple topics such as health, labor, food and non-food consumption and expenditure, education, housing, shocks, financial and digital inclusions, and lots more. The NLSS will collect information from about 22,000 households across the 36 states of the Federation, including the FCT, which will be used to measure poverty levels across the country, determine household final consumption for national accounts, update and reweight the consumer price index basket of items based on current consumption patterns, provide accurate information on the welfare of households across the country. With this information, government is able to formulate policies that specifically target the poor and design measures to alleviate poverty in Nigeria. An updated consumer price index basket also means that the inflation rate will be more reflective of current price levels, and with a rebased GDP, the government is better able to see the performance of the economy. The Nigeria Labour Force Survey is designed with the objective to produce official national statistics on the labour market for monitoring and planning purposes. The NLFS is the main source behind headline indicators of the labour market for short-term monitoring, as well as more structural information on the number and characteristics of the employed, their jobs and working conditions, etc. Over the years, the National Bureau of Statistics in Nigeria has conducted a quarterly labour force survey in order to generate labour statistics for government and users. The last round of the quarterly survey was conducted in the fourth quarter of 2020, with the results published in early 2021. Since then, the National Bureau of Statistics has been working with the World Bank to improve the conduct of the survey by enhancing the data collection method, streamlining the sample size, and introducing adequate quality assurance mechanisms. In addition, new modules such as market orientation, subsistence agriculture, temporary absentees, as well as more questions on employment characteristics have been included in the questionnaire to generate a more comprehensive picture of the labour market. The new 12-month-long approach will generate national headline figures on a quarterly basis, while a full-year report with disaggregated state-level estimates will be published at the end of the 12-month period. At the National Bureau of Statistics Nigeria, we are committed to producing accurate and quality data in line with international standards and best practices for stakeholders and the public. To learn more about the Nigeria Living Standards Survey and the Nigeria Labour Force Survey, please visit the NBS website at www.nigerianstat.gov.ng.
Enumerators are already on the field for data collection for both surveys. We graciously appeal for the cooperation of respondents and households selected for data collection. Be assured that all information collected during these surveys will be handled with utmost confidentiality.